guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kayla. If you don't know me, if you know me already, thank you for coming back. Today this vlog is really just gonna be like really just spending the weekend with me, so I think that's what I want to title it. I don't know, we're gonna see it. But right now it is 11 o'clock. It is Friday. I have to go to work at 3:30 and I have to leave by 2 something. So I'm gonna clean my room. If y'all see my room now, I have to clean my room and hopefully I'm out the door by 2. So, and I still gotta get ready for work because I'm not ready. This will be seeing me clean, go to work, and then weekend plans. But yeah, that's really it.
The boy from South Detroit came on singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Moving so fast to hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but play too much to play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the door, baby. No, I can't get no fucks. No, with all the rug is heavy. Young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy west side of Compton came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly.
Please ignore this fan in the background. That little piece just keep hitting the glass and it won't shut up. Okay, y'all, so I'm done cleaning my room. It is 12:37, so I made good timing. Ooh, look at my lashes, y'all. We finna redo them. I'm gonna put some home patches on and stuff like that so I could fix up this face. But I'm finna go eat, and yeah, I made good timing. I thought it was gonna take me a little while, but it didn't.
Got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know, true. I was always holding you down. You down.
As y'all saw, I was sitting there organizing clothes, colorizing the entire section. And that took me so freaking long. And now I'm gonna have to go run the rack. Nothing interesting is gonna be going on, but yeah, that's really it. I just wanted to check in with y'all because I need a break and I'm bored. So, my job's fun, guys, I swear. I swear. Filming my YouTube video.
Okay, so I just went on break. I had some Zaxby's, I had a cookie, some water.
I haven't been on break yet. My mom's giving me Chipotle.
I had a free car
stocking.
ride.
I'm
We went
bored.
to Zaxby's. Bro, there ain't shit to do.
I know.
And then she asked me to run the rack. I'm like, no,
I don't want to run the rack. I'm gonna be
you do YouTube? She already think I'm replacing her ass. It goes, wait, this is, it goes her, me, you, in age group. You're not older than me. I said her, me, you. I thought you were older than me. You're loud.
Okay, y'all, so I just got on break. As soon as I said I haven't got on my break yet, I literally got on my break. I got some Chipotle, as y'all saw. Queso, sour cream. If you don't like sour cream, you're weird. I don't care what y'all say. Sour cream belongs on a Chipotle bowl. Sour cream is the best thing ever. You cannot tell me otherwise. But I'm finna grub down on this Chipotle bowl, and I will see y'all when I'm back on the floor because I'm going to enjoy my eats. Wait, let me show y'all my bowl before I go. Alright, y'all, so I just finished. I'm finna run this last thing. I'm on the wrong aisle. I'm gonna run this last thing and I'm done for today, y'all. Had a good shift. Had a really good shift. So I just made it back home. I'm about to go. I'm not gonna be at my house for a little while because we're going to an Airbnb this weekend, and that's it. Yeah.
Used to be in love, now your life a Cupid. Had to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside.
Alright, so I'm done getting my toes done. I still gotta wait on my mom. She's still getting her nails and stuff done. But I'm finna walk to Starbucks because why not? Like, I wasn't finna do much. My toes look so boring. I usually get a nail on my toes, but we did something simple today. Okay, y'all, so I just got my drink. Isn't she cute? Isn't she so pretty? I got the strawberry cake pop, the new one. This looks so good. It tastes like strawberry shortcake. That tastes good. I'm gonna try my drink. Cause this is my first time getting this. I tried something new, y'all. I tried something new for the first time in forever. Cause I'm definitely not a try something new type of girly. But we're gonna see if it's good. I don't know how I feel. I don't know how I feel. This would have been better if it was a white mocha frappuccino. I'm sitting here thinking the caramel gonna make it better. It's not bad though. I'll drink it. So it's a couple days later. We're at the Airbnb now. I want to show the house because it looks so pretty inside, but I want to wait till everything's like decorated, the balloons and all that. I'm gonna be decorating and cleaning for the next like few hours till the freaking gender reveal starts. So yeah, there's not much to do. So this is just the before, and then when everything's finished, I'll show you guys. Since we're still waiting on downstairs to be finished, getting decorated and stuff like that, I'll show you guys upstairs. This is the guest room. This is real cute, real simple. It doesn't match any of the other rooms in this house. If y'all hear that, they're blowing up the balloons. Real cute, real calm. Real cute, real calm. Not much in here. The little bathroom we're gonna be using. I'm definitely gonna be using my mother's bathroom because her bathroom looks a lot better. Yes, mommy. Okay, and lastly, this is my mom's room. Her room eats so, wait, turn this on. Her room eats so bad. But that's really it for right now. I'm about to go help decorate. See you guys later. Y'all, this is very time consuming, but it's coming out so cute. This is for the arch, but this is like taking a lot of time. But I'm gonna get back to work. All right, y'all, I'm tired. Which I think the gender is. Before y'all see the end of the video, comment down below which I think the gender is. I think it's a boy, but we're gonna see. I'm done decorating and helping out and stuff like that. So I'm finna start getting ready. I'm gonna hop in the shower, and then you guys will see me, you know, get dressed and all that. All right, y'all, so this is the dress. I really like the dress. If you want a boy, if you're expecting a boy, you would do green, blue, or something else. And then girl would be pink or cream, I believe. Yeah, so I chose green. This is the green dress. I got this from Shein, y'all. It's so cute. Like, I would love to wear this on the beach. But I'm just putting on oils and lotions. That's really it. I'm about to go ahead and put on my jewelry. And then I'm gonna do my edges and stuff like that. When I found out my mother was pregnant, all hell broke loose. But kinda excited. What I clacking? Y'all, I was an only child. I was my mom's only child for 15 years. So hearing I had another sibling made me mad. But I'm not too upset anymore. I'm actually really excited for the baby. My mom doesn't know that. Don't tell her either. Having a little sibling isn't that bad. I just wanted to be the only child. I have 3 sisters on my dad's side that I'm really, really close with, and a half brother. And then I have my mom's baby father's child. That's my stepsister. The new baby makes 6. I'm tired of and I'm the oldest out of all of them. You think I want to be the oldest again? Y'all, I'm tired of being the oldest. I'm tired of being the role model. I need a new hairstyle. Like, look at my hair. Overgrown roots. Woo! All right, I'm finna get started on my edges. I'm done yapping.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie. I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time. I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time.
Yes, please say hi.
Just hitting my line all the time. All the time.
All right, y'all. So I'm done getting ready. Oh, I didn't even show y'all my shoes. These are the shoes. They're like black kitten heels, if you could see. My feet are slipping. I need to fix them. But they're like black kitten heels with like bows on them. I think they're so cute. Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and go greet everybody downstairs because I haven't. And yeah. What are you hoping for?
A boy?
Hoping for a boy? You gonna be mad if it's a girl?
No. So you take boy for real? You want a brother? Why y'all want a brother so bad?
Cause who wants a girl? We both girls. Why we want another girl? Girl. I'm losing. Did you make any guesses?
Yes, I made 6.
You lying?
No.
They only have to go to one on the left.
Oh, it only counts in that one?
I'm shocked.
That one don't work.
It's okay. You can do it again.
They played.
64.
We're not 6 foot.
Check my ID.
Bro, stop distracting me, man.
My bad, bro.
I think I could keep her.
Yeah, you probably can. Bro. She kind of sorry.
Bro.
Bring that one more. Bro, you got
That's not fair.
She did you too. Bro.
I got 13. What you get?
She got 14.
You didn't like what?
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. You no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still?
They waited.
All right.
Why is this AC on 70?
Mama.
No, ma'am. Y'all put some food in.
Mama.
I feel weird.
Yeah, act like it's a wedding, bro. Like, what?
Do you not think so far?
not. Guys, I think he did win. I think he did win.
You gonna beat Greg, right? We all counting on you. Yeah. No, come on, keep going.
Keep going. Why? You mad she beat you?
Nah, she cheated, bro. She definitely cheated.
Team girl over here. Team girl over here. Team boy over here. Damn, this better be a boy.
Okay guys, so that was the gender reveal. I hope you liked it. I actually was really surprised with what it came out to be. I was really expecting a boy. Everybody was hoping for a boy, even my mom. But we have a beautiful baby girl. And yeah, I'm ready to be a big sister again, guys. For the 5th, 6th time. How wonderful. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, this really wasn't like just a dinner reveal vlog. This is really a spend the weekend with me vlog, but the main point was the gender reveal. I'm finna get ready to go to sleep, and yeah, take a shower, edit this video, and it should be out soon. So hey, 2 videos too. Kayla's back, y'all. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, love y'all so much.